Hi everyone, welcome back to Swiss Home Garden. Chitra here. In this video, I will be taking you along our garden preparation for the planting season. Let's begin. As I'm recording this voiceover, it is already mid of April, but we had a very bad spell of cold weather that it is still under minus degrees and we have to scrape out the ice early in the morning from the car. Some of the clips were shot in end of February and the remaining was shot as of a couple of weeks back. This particular one where you see my husband cutting out the wicker was taken in the February months. You can see it's extremely cold, there's no leaves on it, and so we decided to trim them quite a bit and then make a natural fence on the other side of the garden. Till the fence is completed, it will take a few years because this is just the beginning of it. This wicker is also called in French as osier. I think in one of my earlier videos I named it as osier, but in the meantime I figured out the English name and that is wicker. It's also made into baskets, but we don't have the skill yet for the basket, so we decided to use it to weave it into a pattern, a rough pattern for a fence. The planners of this small community will not allow us to make a different fence, so as long as it is natural wicker, they wouldn't object to it. There were a couple of kids over there playing in the stream and they wanted a few of these sticks, and that's what you see my husband giving it to them. So what he's doing is he's cutting it quite a bit down, taking out the thick branches and using that as a support, and the thinner branches he will weave it into it. I will let you watch the whole thing and then you can see how it is done. He cut the thicker branches to almost even length and then he's going to nail it down to the ground and use the thinner ones to weave the fence. clip onwards. We recorded it last weekend and we are preparing our no-dig garden. But first we have to remove some of the weeds. It was extremely cold, as I said, and we couldn't be out in the garden. The neighbors are also preparing their soil for the planting. In the meantime, inside our home, we have started sprouting the heirloom seeds and they are growing to a certain length. But since we still have frost and below zero temperatures, it's not advisable to plant them. In the greenhouse, my husband planted a few of the seedlings. I guess till I can shoot outside in the garden, it will take at least about 3-4 weeks so that you can see the big change then. This is a special weeding tool. It's a very simple tool and you will not be invading the soil too much. It removes the weed out gently by just moving it around. With this, I end my video. Thank you for watching. If you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe. I post one new video every week on food from scratch, Swiss country living, gardening and natural recipes. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.